Hello everyone, we're going to do a worksheet problem where we find the average value of a function, and what we do here is we use a formula that's given, and it's really sort of a simple formula. The average value of a function f, which is defined over an interval from a to b, is just 1 over b minus a. So b minus a is the length of the interval, so 1 over the length of the interval, 1 over b minus a, times the integral from a to b of f of x dx. So this is not an explanation of how that formula comes about, but we're going to use this formula to find the average value of this function here given by g of t. So g of t is given as t divided by the square root of 3 plus t squared and over the interval from t equals 1 to t equals 3. So I'll just go ahead and use the formula there and move along like that. So g average, it's a different letter, is 1 over b minus a. Well, I suppose I can go ahead and just write down, make it clear that a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3. That's these numbers here. So therefore, we'll have b minus a as 3 minus 1, and then the integral from 1 to 3. And the function is t divided by the square root of 3 plus t squared dt. So t looks a little bit like plus. That's a little bit of a problem with that, but anyway. There we go. Okay, we're going to use U-Substitution to solve this. And so what we see is a square root in a function 3 plus t squared inside that square root. And so I'm going to let u equal that part 3 plus t squared. And then we take the derivative. For u, I write derivative of u is 1, du on the right-hand side, 3 plus t squared. Derivative of 3 plus t squared is 2t. And then we have dt. I'll divide both sides by the constant. 1/2 du equals, I almost want to stop the video. It's 2t dt, but anyway, that's not so good, but oh well. 1/2 du equals t dt. And one of the things is, I was looking, t squared, there's no t squared here. It has to be t dt for this whole thing to work. All right, so one of the things also we can do is, let me just write 1 over 3 minus 1 is 1/2. And then what I can do also is I can express this as square root of 3 plus t squared. T divided by square root of 3 plus t squared is 1 over 3 plus t squared times t, dt. So then we can really see, here's t dt, they're the same. And so this part right here is going to be 1/2 du according to what we wrote. And this part here, if u is 3 plus t squared, this is going to be 1 over the square root of u. And then also what I want to do is I'm going to change the bounds. So we change the bounds of integration. So when t equals 1, I'm taking 1 because that's the bottom bound there. U is equal to 3 plus 1 squared because u is 3 plus t squared, so I put t as 1. And that makes 3 plus 1 is 4. And then when t is equal to 3, that's that upper bound there, u is equal to 3 plus 3 squared, which is 3 plus 9, which is 12. And so, see, these numbers here are t equals 3 and t equals 1. We can change those to u values. So this is equal to 1/2 u equals 4, u equals 12. It doesn't look that good that I write that, but I could. I don't think other people are doing that, but I don't think it's I don't think it's wrong at all. It just doesn't look as good. Okay, so we have that, and so we have from 4 to 12. It's not from 1 to 2 anymore. So, all right. So then I'm going to multiply this 1/2 and this 1/2 over here to make it look a little nicer. 4 to 12. And then this 1 over square root of u is written as u to the negative 1/2. That's how you write 1 over square root of u. Alrighty? I mean, you can do an aside. 1 over square root of u is 1 over u to the 1/2. So square root of u is u to the 1/2. And then to bring it to the numerator, I write u to the minus 1/2. Okay, and then I'm going to use the power rule for integration. I take the minus 1/2 and I add 1. So minus 1/2 plus 1 is positive 1/2. And then I divide by positive 1/2. And I evaluate from 4 to 12. And dividing by 1/2 is the same thing as multiplying by 2 over 1. I can continue writing this as u to the 1/2, or I can write this as square root of u, depending on, I don't know, whichever one we want to do. And then there's a little bit of cancellation here, where 2/4 is 1/2. So that's 1/2 then, and then I'll put in square root of 12 minus square root of 4. And this equals 1/2. 12 is 4 times 3, so it's square root of 4 times square root of 3. And then square root of 4, okay. So then I have 1/2. Square root of 4 is 2. And then square root of 4 is 2 again. And then why don't I go ahead and see if I can do this without getting it all wrong. Multiplying the 1/2 using the distributive property. So 2 times 1/2 is 1/2. 1/2 times 2 rad 3 is rad 3. 1/2 times 2 is 1. So this does not have an answer in the back of the book because it's an even problem. But I'm just going to say that's correct. I might, just because it's a video, I might go later and check on Wolfram Alpha. But okay, I think that's it. Let's zoom out a bit. Awesome. Hey, why don't you, if you like this video, click like, and also you might want to leave a comment. That'd be pretty awesome. And if you really would like to subscribe to the channel, lots of math videos, mostly calculus, some statistics, some pre-calc. Okay, so you all take care. That's all. Goodbye.